got my GoPro, I didn't pay too much attention to the voice command function. I thought it was one of those useless gadgets. But then I found myself in some situation where I had heavy winter gloves or I had my GoPro mounted in a certain way that made accessing the control button virtually impossible. Not only did I find that the voice command was very useful in those situations, but I also found that the GoPro voice command works very well. To set up your GoPro for voice command, you need to go to Preference, click on Preferences, scroll down to Voice Control, and make sure that both Voice Control and Wake on Voice are on. Now, if Wake on Voice is off, you will still be able to use your voice command on your GoPro, but you will not be able to turn your GoPro on using voice command. If you scroll down to Voice Control and click on Commands, you get a list of all the voice commands you can use with your GoPro. Basically, your voice commands allow you to 1. Turn your GoPro on and off, 2. Record a video, 3. Take a highlight in one of your video, 4. Take a photo, and 5. It allows you to change mode between time-lapse, video, and photo. Now, before we start using the voice control function, I want you to do one more thing. Go back to the first menu, and the first menu, click on General. Now on General, the first option is beep volume. Make sure that that is set on high. You have several options. You have mute, low, medium, and high. Set it on high. I will explain to you why later. And that's it. Your GoPro is ready to be used with voice control. GoPro turn off. GoPro turn on. GoPro start recording. GoPro highlight. GoPro stop recording. GoPro take a photo. GoPro turn off. A couple of quick tips on using the voice control. The first one has to do with the beeps. Remember at the beginning of the video I told you to set the beep volume on high, and that's because it did happen to me a couple of times that the command that I had given to the GoPro did not register properly. So what I learned is that each command is followed by a specific number of beeps, and when you are aware of that, those beeps act as confirmation that your command has been registered properly. And then I will illustrate. So when you turn on your GoPro, it will be followed by 3 beeps. When you turn it off, it will be followed by 7 beeps. When you start recording a video, it'll be followed by 1 beep. And when you stop recording a video, it will be followed by 1 beep and then 3 quick beeps in succession. I will illustrate. GoPro turn off, 7 beep. GoPro turn on, 3 beeps. GoPro start recording, 1 beep. GoPro stop recording, 1 beep followed by 3 beeps. GoPro turn off, 7 beeps. Last point is that when you turn your GoPro off using voice control, you will be able to turn it back on only if you do so within 8 hours. And that's because when you turn your GoPro off using voice command, it doesn't actually turn itself completely off. It goes into battery conservation mode. But after 8 hours, then it turns itself off. And that's it. You're ready to go and use your GoPro. Have fun and be well, and see you next time.